Hello again. Every day, devious minds devise new ways to cheat us out of our money. Well, we're going to spend a few moments each Saturday alerting you to some of these scams and frauds. Stan Turner reports our consumer alert and begins with a tip for travelers.
Thanks again, Dale. Here are some tips this morning from our Consumer Corner. For you air travelers, there are new guidelines concerning carry-on luggage. It's effective right now. It took effect yesterday, as a matter of fact. You may carry on only 2 pieces of luggage onto the plane, and they must fit under the seat or in the overhead compartment. If your flight is not full, the airline just might let you carry on more. And as you make travel plans for your winter vacations, beware a new scam, so-called travel bargains over the telephone. Here's how it works. You receive a phone call offering you a so-called travel bargain. All you have to do is join a travel club and you'll get cheap airfare and hotels. Unfortunately, what you may find is that all you've paid for is a club membership. You still have to pay for your airfare and your hotel at a cost much higher than a legitimate travel agency would charge you. Often the caller will ask you for your credit card information, but don't give it out. You may never hear from the caller again, and now they've got your credit card number and they will use it. So what can you do? Well, beware of great deals. Don't be pushed into buying now. Ask for details and get those details in writing. And please don't send money. Legitimate companies don't operate like that. And if you have any questions at all, ask your local Better Business Bureau or your state attorney general. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, Dale and Bob, it's probably not true at all.
Yeah,
Back to
that's
you.
it. Okay, thanks a lot. Hi, I'm Bob Dolan.
And I'm Dale Harimoto. Coming up this weekend on Great Weekend,
Psyching out the psychics from Sedona, Arizona. Remembering Elvis, a special weekend at Graceland. Weekend workouts, pumping iron with today's beautiful women. And for weekend moviegoers, a walk through Hollywood's past.
plus weather, news updates, sports, consumer alert, medical advice, and much more. Begin your weekend with Great Weekend.
The adult choice.